Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jeremy. You already know what it is. Today I'm gonna show you the Spider MR1. Got this online. It only costs about $1.70. It's pretty cheap gun. It's pretty good. Okay, this is the Spider MR1 barrel gun, battle sleeve. Came with the battle sleeve. Okay. Okay, guys. Next, we have a pair of goggles. It's pretty good brand. It doesn't fog up, and it's I recommend it to use a lot. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. This is a ski mask. You can buy it at any gift shop. It protects you from the paint going in your mouth. You see the holes. The paint usually presses when you get hit here, and it goes in your mouth. Next, we have pods. This came with the gun. It's a really good package deal. As you can see, I have some in here. I was practicing earlier. Right here, we have the nitrous tank. It's pretty good. It's about 48 CU, as you can see there. Yeah, it's a pretty good brand. Doesn't mess up. We got here the hopper, regular hopper. It's cheap, works pretty fine. We have the neck that goes with the hopper. Loosen this up there. You should put it pretty tight. You don't want any balls popping out. It's pretty tight. Hopper. And some gloves. These gloves are really hard. They're really good. If you get hit, you won't feel anything. Yeah, they're really good gloves. Now I'll show you everything with everything on. Gun. Hopper. Now we're at the nitrous tank. Sometimes it just takes a while to get in. It really bothers. One moment. There we go. And there you have it. Spider MR1. It's a pretty good gun. It's a little heavy, you know. It's a pretty good gun. I recommend it for outdoor paintballing because as you see right here, it has a thing for the shoulder. Yeah, so you could just place that right here on your shoulder and shoot away. Thank you guys, and I really appreciate it.